Okay, a very good morning to you all. So today I will share some tips for English speaking. तो इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग क्यों? क्योंकि ऑलरेडी हमको हिंदी आता है, हिंदी में हम कंफर्टेबली बोल लेते हैं, इसीलिए इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग की प्रैक्टिस करें। ये नहीं कि हम इसमें हिंदी का बड़ा अपमान कर रहे हैं। जैसे वॉकिंग सब बच्चों को आता है, बट स्विमिंग नहीं आता है, दोस्तों मैं क्या बोलूँगा, स्विमिंग सीखो, है ना? तो जो भी हम सीख रहे हैं इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि बाकी चीज़ इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, बाकी चीज़ इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट वो हमें ऑलरेडी आता है, इसलिए हम उसको नहीं सीखते, ठीक है? Now English speaking में some tips जो हैं that I will share very important, ठीक है? फर्स्ट थिंग जिसकी वजह से मैं डर लगता है दैट इज इंफॉर्मेशन। जिस टॉपिक में हम बात करने जा रहे हैं, मान लो उसमें इंफॉर्मेशन ही नहीं है, तो अपने आप में हाथ पैर सब वाइब्रेट करने लगेगा, तो मुझे इंफॉर्मेशन ही नहीं है उस चीज का। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू शुड बी हैविंग दैट मच इंफॉर्मेशन। नाउ जो भी हम डेली पढ़ते हैं क्लास में उसका इंफॉर्मेशन तुमको है और आप उसका रिवीजन भी कर सकते हैं 4 बार 10 बार। आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू ट्राई टू रिवाइज दैट इन इंग्लिश, और ये डेली करना है। इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग का मतलब कि हम सोचते हैं कि इंट्रोडक्शन या कोई टॉपिक या इंडिया पे, है ना, या बिहार पे बोल दिया हो गया, ऐसा नहीं। हर चीज में इंग्लिश में आपको स्पीक करना आना चाहिए। जैसे मान लो कोई भी टॉपिक है और मुझे लगता है कि इसमें बोल सकता हूं, तो ट्राई करना चाहिए बोलने का। नाउ दिस इज वन ऑफ द एग्जांपल्स लाइक क्लास 10 का है, कॉनकेव मिरर के इमेजेस जो फॉर्म होते हैं। देन नाउ आई हैव ऑलरेडी प्रिपेयर्ड 6 स्टेजेस, टोटल 6 केसेस हैं और सारे केसेस मैं ट्राई करूंगा इंग्लिश में एक्सप्लेन करने का। जब मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया यही आपको भी ट्राई करना है कि कैसे एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं। If you are comfortably presenting this all and explaining to the student, it means you are fluent in English. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि टॉपिक देंगे उसी पे आपको बोलना है, जो टॉपिक जब मिलेगा आपको रेडी होना है। इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं उस टॉपिक के बारे में तब बात करें, यू कैन से कि हां मुझे इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं, मैं कैसे बोलूं, ठीक है? ओके, नाउ these are the images formed by a concave mirror. This is the first case that you are seeing on the board, this one. Now in this case where the object is kept, see the object is this one. Here we come on the left side and it is at infinite position. This is not touching the principal axis. This C is the center of curvature, F stands for focus and T is for the pole. These dashes means the mirror is polished from right side. Means it cannot go through this because this is a mirror, not a lens. Okay. Now I have written object position, that is at infinity, that can be referred from here. Then one second, I will be. Now you see, image position is at focus. You can see the image being formed at this focus. The arrow is not indicated because it is of point size, or I have already written diminished. Means you can't see that. It is so small because the object is at infinite distance. If I am seeing an object at infinite distance, obviously I can't see it. Okay. Then the second case comes out to be here, where this is touching the principal axis. Means we say that the object is behind the center of curvature, that is C. And if I am seeing it in this position, then you can also see that you can see the image here. But the size is not diminished and nor it is greater than the object size. It is less than the object size. So the position has a reference here. Like behind C the object will be there, and between C and F we are getting the image. And the size is smaller than the object. Okay, means HI is less than HO, where HI stands for the image size and HO for the object size. Here you can see that the object size is greater. Now the third case is we are keeping the object at C and the image is also formed at C and of the same size. They will be of the same size, you can see here. And from here only you have to write the details. It should not be mugged up. Many persons are there who are mugging up all these things. इसमें figure में सब कुछ लिखा हुआ है. If everything is there in the figure, then we can easily write the details. Okay. Now in the next case we are seeing that the object is between C and F. Then the more near to the mirror we are going, the farther the image is. Okay. Means you can say that they are directly proportional, inversely proportional. If it is going nearer, it is going farther. Okay. So here, and the size will also be increasing. Here the size is more. You can see from here, and if we are seeing this, we can also write that HI is greater than HO. Then the second last one is we are keeping at focus, and we can see that this there is a parallel going here, and we can't imagine where it will intersect. So it is told as infinitely larger in size. Means where it is going to meet, we don't know. Now the last case here we can see that the image is formed on the right side. That's why we have shown it by dash. Means it is virtual, kalpanic, imaginary. Okay, because this is a mirror and it should not pass through it. Now here what happens? Here the image size you can see is greater than the object. As I have written here, HI is greater than HO. HI means image and HO means object size. Okay, virtual and erect. This is the case where we are only getting virtual and erect. Okay, and here you will see it is real. In all the 5 cases it was real, but here it is virtual. So these are the 6 steps. Similarly, we can also explain it for other cases like for lens and for convex mirror. So in this way, you have to try to represent each and everything, not only this. Whatever you are studying, try to represent it at your home or explain to your sister or brother in that case. Okay. So I will also be handing over mic to my students, and they will also be explaining this and trying their best way. So that's all. Thank you very much.